data storage has become also very, very cheap. Now, if you combine something that's cheap, it becomes very, very much available. So with the a lot of businesses now want to collect data. They want to make sure that they have data. They want to use it to. Some businesses don't know what they want to use it for, right? They have FOMO and they just want to collect everything, and they'll say, "Hey, later on we'll figure out." I see a friendly nod from Shavik here, but later on we'll figure out what to do with it. And there are some businesses who've got a plan in action, right? They have a problem statement they want to solve. Our customers typically come to us with the problem statement of, hey, can we personalize the user experience? Can we personalize every touch point of the user journey, right from when we acquire a particular user all the way to making sure that this person becomes a champion, an advocate, repeat customer, loyal customer, and so on and so forth, right? They go on and refer other people to us. And how can we use a platform like CleverTap, to pull that off? So I think, earlier, most of marketing used to be rule-based, right? I mean, I remember getting emails at midnight. Why? Because, some server ran some sort of a job at midnight, collated all the products, that would go on a sale. Let's say you're watching you're watching a match on IPL. This match has, and, a lot of people tune in, when there's a live match, they want to watch what's going on. But after a while, people, they might, you might have other things and they might tune out of the match, right? Because it's not an interesting match anymore, or they've lost interest. There are other things that are demanding their attention. And let's say there's a turning point within the match, and the ability for, to use a platform like ours and, very quickly figure out who are the people that have watched at least 40 minutes of the current match. So they had some sort of an interest, but are not watching the match right now. Can we send them a personalized notification? And notification is more immediate. It lands up on your phone. It's there on the lock screen. You press the notification and you can get back into the match, right? You can resume watching the match. So can I, if there is a turning point, let's say Virat Kohli is about to score a century, and at that moment, literally a couple of runs away from his century, you send a notification to the user saying that, hey, will Virat Kohli be able to score his century? Now it's an interesting point in the match. These notifications have to, be super personalized. So it cannot go to the audience that was not watching IPL because they don't care probably. They are there for Game of Thrones or some other, something else, right? So it has to be for the live audience. It has to be for people who have spent significant amount of time watching the particular event, and it has to be timely. And that's the hardest part, right? Can you kind of personalize in time in the mobile moment?